Crypto legends, how's everyone doing, guys? Let's dive in here straight into Bitcoin. Wow, what have we got here? We got a Bitcoin dropping at the moment. Will this range hold? Are we going to test the last higher low range of 21,400, or will this 21,700 800 range hold as support and we're going to get a big fat bounce? This is something that we're going to analyze right now. Some major, really nice scalping opportunities. All right, inside of this range, guys, make sure to destroy that like button, okay? Make sure to smash up the like button. I'm going to go quickly through the comment section. Then we're going to talk about this, guys. Oh my goodness, are we creating that failed breakout? Right now, we are actually testing the 618, guys, from that failed breakout from this level, okay? If we can see the lows here, right over there, we are just about hitting the 618. So if you have good risk management, this is not a bad long in range, guys. Just a quick long. We want to be extremely cautious with our longs. We are just about to have a kind of a cascade fall, right? We're going to talk about major support levels. We could test the lows again as well. We got this weekly that hasn't been tested at 21,776. I want to stay extremely cautious, okay, guys? It's a dangerous zone. It looks like we want to collapse. We'll be talking about different scenarios, okay, here on the stream, and also taking a look at the scalping opportunities. I want to go through the scalping opportunities that happened in between yesterday and today, okay? There has been some opportunities here on the chart, and I want to go through them right away with you. We want to stay extremely cautious. We got the US market open, New York session in about 10 minutes from now, guys, okay? So we could see a bit of volatility before we get into any direction, okay? So if you get into any trades, make sure to stay very defensive. Now, we're basically failing to break out this low over here. Right now, at this moment, we have retraced all the way. I think we haven't hit the 618 just yet, guys. From this low to the high, just about hit the 618. So it is a difficult trade. But, you know, we should be holding the range here. We could be holding the range and get a bounce and at least test this high, okay? It's a very possible. Stay extremely cautious, guys. We are in a downwards market, as you can see. A lot of volatility yesterday, finally, with the Federal Reserve. I don't know what he said. I don't really care. But we had this kind of volatility, down and up. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section. I want to write in the comment section if you are bullish or bearish, then we can talk about some potential setups. Hey, there is a setup right over here, okay? There is one, potentially to test the highs and even go slightly higher. Like I said, we're failing to break out here on this attempt. We are retracing to the 618. I mean, this is the kind of strategy that we take a look at a lot of the times, okay? Yeah, just want to stay really cautious. If you do get into any long, you know, protect position instantly, because this is trending down very aggressively, okay? Very aggressive downtrend. Will we get a bounce and test the highs? You know, we are there right now at this moment. Stay cautious, stay defensive, accept small losses. Don't get greedy, because we are just about, okay, to get a major collapse, right? We have this higher low support trend line, okay? And we're just at that range, okay? I've connected this higher low, this higher low. We didn't really touch it right over here. There's other ways to see this. We're failing to break out right now on this attempt today. This could be at the verge of a major drop down, okay? We could have a major move down before getting a larger bounce, okay? So just stay extremely cautious, guys. We got... yeah, we got this possible scenario, right? If I do see this, you know, I've seen this so many times on the chart, I would, yeah, easily say that we could be testing 22,140 in the neck, and even going slightly higher, of course, right? Testing that lower high before any continuation to the downside, right? Like I said, also on the latest live streams, you know, for that swing failure breakout on the higher time frames here for a potential swing long position I want to see some signs of strength, okay? We've just tested the low. We're just at that range, okay? We're just consolidating at the range. Let's see how the US market opens today. It's going to open in 5 minutes. Are we going to see, a major dump? Is the stock market going to have a major drop today? Because we had a drop from yesterday with the Federal Reserve. Jerome Powell having his speech or whatever. We did get a market drop. We're consolidating right now at the point of control from this range, okay, for the last few days, few weeks. Will it hold? That is the question. Will this peak hold, get a bounce, or is this going to be a bear flag and continuation to the downside? If this does happen on the US Open, then of course Bitcoin should be getting a bearish effect, all right? But we'll be here to take a look at scalping scenarios as well, okay? We just want to be extremely cautious, guys, with the market opening right now at this moment, because we could get that volatility, okay? This is not a bad long setup at this moment to this high, right, when we're looking at scalping scenarios. But yeah, I would wait to see how the market opens, because we could have a major drop, we could have a major pump. If we do see a sign of strength, okay, on Bitcoin and the market, there will be time to get into some scalping scenarios, okay? This is going to be in the next 4 minutes. We might get that volatility down, volatility up. After that volatility of the New York session open, then we can take advantage of that potential next move, okay? Just something that I wanted to point out, guys. Something that I wanted to point out. When Bitcoin's at a crucial level for a potential trade, but we've got a few minutes for the market opening, I'm staying aware. I'm staying aware because I can always get into trade after that small volatility once the market opens. Once we get that volatility, then I could take advantage of some potential moves. But as I said, the idea here of this trade, the idea here for this trade, is coming up to test the highs right there. Anyway, let's go 20,500 incoming. Wow. Woo. A lot of people bearish. Yesterday, I put a poll. There were more people bullish than bearish. Let's see today when we are just about to break a support level. How many people are bullish or bearish in the midterm, okay? Then we're talking about short-term scalping scenarios for shorts, longs and shorts. But, yeah. Yeah, like I said, let's go, let's take a look at the poll here. Start the Q&A. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin in the next coming hours? And I'm just gonna write bullish, bearish here, and I want to see the community, what do they think. Yeah, let's take a look here right away. So let's go through here. Let's go. Market M, how are you doing? Father Time, hello, how are you doing? Thanks for joining the live stream. BTC feeling bearish. Good morning, guys. Tactic, I'm long at 22,000. You're long at 22,000. Okay. Let's take a look here. Hi, Andy. Hello, everyone. I'm Olympic. Hello, Venner Market. Remember to like on the way in. Absolutely, guys. Remember to smash that like button. Hello, guys. Tito Gaines. Hello, LA. Long, well, yeah, only scalp kind of, scalp longs and swing longs, but plain defensive trading, okay? It's very, very dangerous. We've got the market opening right now, US market opening. We could get that move down, leg up, okay? So stay extremely cautious. We've got the ES opening right now at this moment. Mescal, how are you doing? I got Richard here. If we do get a major drop down, then a bounce, we basically following the 2019 fractal exactly. Very, very possible. Very, very possible. Andy, I commented telling you we would go down to 21,850. Bounce right off 21,850. I also suggested 21,750 at the lowest. Good call on that major drop. I was only basically scalping the range at this level over here because I was very much aware that we could get a larger relief rally before coming down, or we could come down from these levels. But I have been enjoying scalping this range, okay? Absolutely phenomenal on the latest live streams, guys. We have some major scalping shorts, one scalp on a live stream as well. So yeah, what can I say? What can I say? But right now, like I said, we're failing to break out from this level. We got this weekly zone. We got, you know, that naked point of control from this range, right? We've got a point of control that hasn't been hit just yet. So it would be nice to see actually another attempt down to this level of 21,770 approximately, okay? If we do take a look at the fixed range, yeah, we got that point of control from this consolidation in February. We got the weekly level. It would be nice for a tap down to that level in a consolidation to get another failed breakdown from this low. However, you know, this is, yeah, you know, just like we talked on many live streams, right? Lows are being tested. We're failing to break down from this level. Our favorite level after a failed breakout is the 618 from the low to the high, right? So it's just basically hit that level right now at this moment. You know, it's possible we could get that bounce to claim this high over here. Maybe even go higher. You know, for the moment, this is just a range. We're still trending aggressively to the downside, but it would be nice. Usually a lot of retail like to short at the lows. You could get that short squeeze here, get that bounce and claim the highs over here. Very possible in the next coming hours. 20,500 incoming, says NJ Bohr. Maybe, who knows, depending on how much selling pressure we're going to have. If we go up, what's looking bullish? Yeah, I am in a short Ethereum scalp. Absolutely, yeah. Scalping long, short, guys. We've got Simeon here, chart champion thief. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I have followed chart champions for quite a bit, but yeah, I do my own analysis. I have learned a lot from them as well, not going to lie. But yeah, not thieving anything from them. Absolutely not. I know they talk about a lot of swing failure patterns, of course, as well. They don't talk much about volume strategy, but yeah, not thieving anybody here. My own analysis. Hi Andy bro, how are you? I think, you know, when you do a good analysis, I mean, a lot of people are going to talk about the same thing. You know, it is what it is. You know, when you know, this is a failed breakdown from this low, no matter whoever talks about it. So it's just, you know, it is what it is. So yes, let's take a look. Father Time, smash the like button. Hey Andy bro, how are you? I'm a bear right now. Hanks in a short from 22,283. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, of course, you know, we are trying. There was no doubt that this low was going to be tested. You know, the question was, you know, was it going to be from this range and have that move down, or were we going to have a larger relief rally and then come down? We can talk about this bump and run scenario, right? The bump and run scenario is actually still getting supported, funny enough, guys. Okay. There wasn't too much bullish pressure. We talked about this yesterday. It was a scenario, but remember, if we do take a look at the lower high from these lower high trend line from here and here, you know, it's funny enough, it's still getting kind of supported, right, from this trend line, from the lower high trend line. This was a scenario we talked a few days ago, right, where we had the lower highs, the bump phase. Could have this been a bump and run scenario? Hey, we got one bounce. That did happen, okay? We did talk about and how you could have taken advantage of this bounce over here, not get too greedy and, you know, test the 618 from this drop for the take profits. For the moment, you know, this is actually getting supported. Could it get another support here if we do move down? Yeah, very possible. Obviously, it would be, you know, it is on the lower time frames. It is better to scalp short this downtrend, right? Lower time frames, you want to get into these bounces as we're just testing the lows, creating lower lows. So getting the lower highs, testing. Right, let's go through the comment section. Hey, Simon, get lost, okay? Get lost. I'm going to report you right away, remove you right away from the comment section. Get lost. Don't come here to FUD my community in the comment section, okay? So get lost. All channels saying short, so I put in a long, says Kelly. Wow. Yeah, stay cautious. I mean, you know, we are just on the verge of a potential collapse, okay? We are at the verge of a collapse. Where we at right now, it's at the verge of a potential collapse. You know, there is potentially going to be a lot of people holding, longing right over here, and also shorting, okay? Longing and shorting from this range. So it's going to be a bit of a volatile move. This could actually collapse down. A lot of people will be entering shorts, and it could get a big, massive bounce. Okay, short squeeze, get back inside of this uptrend, ascending broadening wedge, if you wish. Or, you know, it could either, you know, move down, come up, you know, and then come back down again. There could be a lot of volatility here, guys. So if you are doing any trading at this critical zone where we're at right now, stay extremely cautious, okay? So we got the US market opening. There's just a bit of volatility on the lower time frames. Yeah, not much going on. Who's making my Andy upset? Nobody is. Let's go here. Right. So we got Ahmed here giving a really good technical analysis. No, we have bottomed. We came down in an ABC correction from the last previous highest high. We came down in a wave C. 5-wave move down, very reliable, which tells me we have a long-term temporary bottom. Yeah, very, very possible as well. DXY breaking down. Okay, this could be good in the short term for Bitcoin. This could be good for Bitcoin in the short term. Having a little bit of a move down right now as we speak. Yeah, guys. Not much. Another trader stated that Fed sent their BTC to Coinbase this morning and are selling. Wow. Yeah, that could be, you know, we don't really know if that is true. Is that FUD or is it actually true? Very, very possible. Andy, please check 2019. It's 2019. Okay. We can take a look at that right away. Why not? Let's take a look at 2019 on Bitcoin. Go to the daily, take a look at 2019. Yeah, you know, is it very similar to this? I mean, we have been talking about this also on the channel. It's curious to note here that we could be at this phase over here. Very, very similar phase here from 2019, where we just about to break the last lower high, which would be this one right there, okay? This one was the last lower high here in 2019, which is exactly $8,130, right? Because we were trending up here. So we had a nice round consolidation, which would be this one right over here. And our last lower high is this one at $25,000. So, yeah, it's very, very possible. I do believe so. I do believe so that this could still, as long as we hold above $21,500, this could still be an accumulating cylinder. Jesse Livermore, ascending accumulating cylinder, guys. Funny enough, as long as we stay above this low over here, okay, and we get a sign of strength, okay, as we, you know, have a pump right there, I will be bullish. You know, as if we do get this kind of price action here in the next coming days, I'm going to be extremely bullish if this does happen. Of course, we break the lows here successfully, then I would say, hey, we're actually going to come lower till we find a bottom and then get a reversal. So, I mean, it's at a critical zone at this moment for any swing trades, right? Still sticking up, to the possibility that we could get this bounce here, with good risk management. You got that failed breakout from this low. There is a possibility. Right. So let's go through the comment section. Yes, I am expecting an impulsive wave up to $22,800, says Hamid. Right now, but I'm expecting us to touch $29,000, $36,000 Bitcoin. Wow, you're extremely bullish for the midterm, I guess, is what my fib levels say is in play. Okay, wow. So you're actually calling for $29,000, even $35,000. That would be in the next couple of months, of course. It's not going to be in a matter of 1 or 2 weeks. But hey, this does point out that we are very, if we do break above $25,000, which is the last lower high, okay, if we do break above this level, hey, it's going to be explosive. No doubt about that. It's going to be explosive, guys. The reason why, the moment the price breaks above $25,200, right, the last macro lower high, as this is not a lower low, it's here, so it's not this one or this one. We need to break above this one. It's going to be an explosive move. This is why I do believe so that this could be an ascending cylinder. There's still a lot of people bearish. Let me take a look here at René Montenegro dislikes Ahmed's comment. Yes, exactly. René Montenegro, I'm not sure if he's about, but he's the most bearish guy that we do have in the community here. Let's take a look. Okay, so are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin in the next coming hours? We've got actually 47% out of 350 votes. Still, they are bullish. 53% are bearish. Right. Right, so yeah, live trade. Well, I mean, this is actually a good trade setup where we're at right now with good risk management. Right, so not much more here to say on the in the comment section. Hey, I just want to show you this, guys. I want to show you the possibility, and this is looking at long term. Okay, this is looking at, well, midterm. Sorry, like in the next 1 to 2 months. The possibility in Bitcoin actually having an explosive move above $25,000 if we hold this support in the next coming days. We just need a sign of strength, guys. This doesn't mean, all right, this doesn't mean I'm bullish here. If we do see a sign of strength here in the next couple of days, I believe so, we could skyrocket in the next coming weeks, okay? And basically, the sentiment is very, very similar to 2019, okay? Very similar sentiment here where people are still extremely bearish after a massive run-up like this, right? Consolidation and a run-up, hitting the last lower high range, and then you get a massive explosive move. Back in 2019, it was from $8,000 all the way up to $13,000. So massive move up here. And it's very possible that this could happen. This could happen here also as well. Still a lot of people quite bearish. Still a lot of people thinking that, this is it. We're going to much lower levels, 18K, 17K range. I'm just going to say this, guys. If we do hold the range, I expect a breakout above $25,000 in the next coming weeks, potentially. Whoever's aware of this potential pattern, all right, let me just quickly show you here. Very interesting pattern. This did happen on Ethereum, an ascending accumulating cylinder, okay, where we are, consolidating, and then we could have that, this explosive move to the upside. It has to be a very strong resistance, And of course, that resistance is the last lower high here, macro lower high. Then we could get that leg up here to this range over here, which would be around about $30,000 range, 28, 32. So, yeah, this is what I'm expecting, guys. Now, I'm just going to get a few minutes off here. I'm losing hope on Bitcoin. Yeah, I got Kasta here in the comment section. Kasta official YouTube channel. And I have to give a shout out to Kasta because what they are doing is absolutely incredible, all right? I know the team. They are doing big stuff. Big stuff are coming as well for Kasta. They do have the Kasta debit card coming very, very soon. The application is live for several months right now. More things coming, okay? Check their website, Kasta.io. There's a lot of things coming up for Kasta. They are working very, very hard. If you haven't got the app, guys, make sure to download the application. It is down below in the description, okay? The live application is down below, okay, the application. It is live. You can send Bitcoin to Bitcoin for free, Ethereum to Ethereum. If it's the same cryptocurrency, it's for free and instant, okay? You get 200 Kasta tokens if you deposit $20, all right? $20 deposited, you get 200 Kasta tokens locked. Hey, it's super easy friendly to use. Make sure to check it out, guys. You have the mobile app. Check out the link down below in the description, okay, guys? Another way to support the channel, of course. Bitcoin at the last level. Bitcoin's at the last level, guys. It's at the last level. I'm worried, guys. I'm worried about Bitcoin. It could have a major drop. Also thinking that we could get this bounce from this level, okay? The weekly level. We also got, the weekly level and the point of control from this range, right? When we get out from a range, right? We want to take a look at the support levels that we have. There's support level also inside of this range. If we take a look at the fixed range, there's also support there. We've got a point of control all the way down here at 20,900. 29,900 has been proven to be a massive zone as well. I mean, this is looking at the overall higher time frames, okay? This is looking for scalping scenario, for swing trade scenarios, not scalping. We have been talking more about scalping and day trading, but we want to take a look at the context, guys, as well on the higher time frames to see where we at. So yeah. So right. Yeah, we got Kasta, official Kasta down below in the comment section, guys. Make sure to check out Kasta because it's absolutely phenomenal application and there's big things coming for Kasta, okay? Big things, guys. I mean, the debit card is already going to be a huge thing for Kasta. And there's so many different things coming up, okay? Check out the website, Kasta.io. Let's take a look at short boys. Ahmed Elechka is bullish, says I'm Olympic. Wow. There's a battle in between the Bulls and the Bears, guys. Hey, if you're looking for any scalps, you know, you got a scalp right over here in front of your nose. It's not the highest risk to reward, but overall, basically, we failed to break out this level. And we talk about this trading setup a lot on the channel for several months. It happens a lot. It happens almost every single day on lower time frames, on higher time frames. Yeah, but right now, failed breakout and you're retracing to the 618, meaning that this high can be claimed. The high can be claimed. You could get a bounce here. Not much more to be said. Kasta scam. No way. You're very, very wrong, okay? Very, very wrong. It is not a scam. It's definitely not a scam. They are working very hard. The application is live. And there's big things coming, you know. Why would it be? Yeah, everything's a scam in crypto when we're in a bear market, right? But no, people are wrong, like from the other bear markets as well. People get, you know, they are wrong. What's the news with XRP? I don't know. I'm not an XRP fan. The sentiment is the same, but the Fed not printing, so it's not exactly the same. Okay. Not much. Hi Andy, do you see a trade on the S&P 500 with USTD on Prime? If not, why may I ask? Okay, let's take a look. I mean, the S&P 500. It is at a strong support level, okay? Not gonna lie. You know, we do have a nice spike here on the volume profile. Right over here. Getting a bounce. We could, you know, just after that major drop when Jerome Powell came out and did the speech. I don't know what he said, but obviously it did have a bearish effect. I mean, this is a good question. I mean, we are at support. This is why we are consolidating. So we could get a major bounce from this level. You know, it's point of control here from the volume traded the last several weeks. Could get a bounce. Very, very much possible. Very much possible. I do think that S&P 500 will go to higher levels in the coming weeks. And of course, this could trigger Bitcoin going to higher. Kasta real life use case and what is the future, says Anne. Well, hey, they want to be the leaders. All right, I got people to, you know, asking me questions about this. You know, easy crypto payments. They want to be the leader application in crypto payments, where you can go and buy a cup of coffee. You know, buying a cup of coffee with Bitcoin would be very hard. Also with Ethereum, with USDT, going through the Ethereum network. Okay. Now they want to, you know, they are solving this to make crypto payments easy and cheap, okay? Extremely cheap. Or if you're sending the same crypto, then you are sending it for free and instant. Bitcoin to Bitcoin, Ethereum to Ethereum, all right? So yeah, they want to be the leaders in making crypto payments possible, all right? Because right now, you know the deal with Bitcoin, Ethereum network, it's just expensive. And they are making this possible, guys. So yeah, it's a big thing. It's a big thing. And of course, once credit card, debit card comes out, you know, it's going to be much more easier. I think, you know, they are doing big things. Crypto payments app, there you have it. You have Kasta here in the comment section. Kasta will be huge. Yeah, I mean, this is a big thing. It is a big thing, guys. You know, you accept it or not. Making crypto payments easy is still a big issue right now, okay? It's still a big issue. You know, a lot of people, you know, paying high fees with transactions, and it's not easy friendly. And Kasta application is extremely easy friendly, guys. If you know, you just need to download the application. If you're watching this from your mobile, you can use the link down below and it will take you directly to the application. And yeah, I mean, you just need to use it, you know, just use it and you know, tell your friends. And once you send crypto, you're just sending it to your friends on your agenda from your mobile, your contacts. It's so easy, guys. I've been using it for the last few weeks and yeah, it's incredible. It's a big thing to the European residents only. No, they are opening to other places as well. Okay, they are opening to other places. All right, but of course, there's a lot of regulations. There's a lot of stuff. You know, you can't just suddenly, you know, do it worldwide. But they're getting there. I know it's mainly available for most of the European countries, Kasta. So, but they're getting there. Okay, they're getting there with other countries as well. So, news soon. We got big news on Friday. We got unemployment rate on Friday, so we could get a bit of volatility on Friday, 2:30 Central European time. We want to stay cautious with that as well. Right. Is there another round of Jerome Powell in the next 10 minutes? Let me just zoom in here. I don't think so. Not that I know of. Anyway, I've been taking a look at the news today, Wednesday. Fed Chairman Powell. Yeah, there is actually. There is in the next 5 minutes. Oh my goodness, I wasn't aware of this. Fed Chair Powell testifies. Woo! Stay cautious, guys. Stay cautious with the position. This is the reason why the market didn't move on the US Open. Yeah, market did not open. Market did not have any volatility. It did open, but no volatility. I mean, I think one of the main reasons why is people are waiting to see what this guy is going to say. Wow, well spotted, guy, because I wasn't aware. I'm actually in no trade position at the moment. I was waiting for the market open. Stay cautious. Stay cautious, guys. I think these highs are going to be claimed before these lows, okay? Before these lows, I think these highs are going to be claimed. However, we're having Jerome Powell speaking, right, in the next 5 minutes. Stay extremely cautious, guys. Stay extremely cautious. Yes, Powell speaking again, says Lindsay. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Daddy JP in 10, stay safe. Yeah, exactly, guys. Kawar, thank you very much for reminding the community. When we have the news or Jerome Powell coming out for any kind of speech, we want to stay cautious, okay? Look at this massive volatile move, right, that we did have yesterday. Bang, bang. This is like a roulette, guys. When you're trading, when we have this guy speaking, you know, you want to stay extremely cautious. I do not trade when this guy comes out and speaks. Right. We're expecting Jerome Powell to say the same thing as yesterday, more or less. 50-point spike in interest rates possible. Woo. I would assume this is just going to get a massive... It's going to get a market drop, okay, guys? Bro, Powell running my trades can't even long in peace. Guys, you know, I would assume, just like yesterday, we talked about the possibility that it's likelier to be more bearish in the short term. We've got a massive move up, all right? So, in my personal opinion, if he's speaking right now in the next couple of minutes, yeah, we are likely going to get that, you know, a potential another drop. If you know, this is just going to get more fear in the market. However, it might not have you know, an impact in the midterm during today. It might be just a short-term move down, and then we could get a bounce, okay? Remember what happened yesterday. We were moving down, boom, massive pump. For scalpers, yeah, this is very, very dangerous for scalpers. Shorts will get wrecked, says Wolf Trade Academy. It's interesting. I really like this zone. I want to get into a swing trade zone. Swing long position, guys. I'm ready for a swing long position. But we've got Jerome Powell speaking. You know, I like this zone for a long. I'm not going to lie. You know, have tight stop losses here below the wick. I think it's soon. We've got Jerome Powell speaking. We could get a bit of this. You know, after we get a bit of that, then I'll be looking to get into a trade scenario. You know, I'm very, very responsible with my trading. And, you know, when we got Jerome Powell speaking, you know, I want to stay cautious. You know, I did like the idea of getting into a long here, but we're going to see volatility in the next coming minutes. So why? If I can avoid that volatility, why would I get into a trade now? Yeah, what else? I like the idea of this, guys. I like this idea of Bitcoin inside of this ascending brawling wedge, okay? This ascending possible accumulating cylinder, right? I know a lot of people, most of the people are taking a look at this as bearish. Ascending brawling wedge. This is an ascending brawling wedge, and it usually breaks down. There's nothing bullish about this. It's only a bearish pattern. However, there is, you know, it could be an ascending accumulating cylinder getting ready to break out the most important lower high, which is the 25,300. If it breaks this level, we will see fireworks. We'll be seeing Bitcoin at 28K, even 32K in a matter of a few weeks after breaking this zone. You know, I'm very much confident in saying this. You know, if we successfully break above 25K, of course, you know, we will see a large move to the upside. And it all points out that it could be this accumulating cylinder, guys. Just something to point out. The most important thing for this to play out is staying above $21,400. We just need to stay above $21,400. Right? And we're just a few $100s away. So we're going to see this in the next coming days. we get a sign of strength, I'll be longing like a beast. We break the zone, hey, no longs taken. You know, a little sign of strength, getting back here into the zone. Hey, we will have time to get into a long, don't worry, into a swing long position. There'll be time. Let's just wait to see how we react at this crucial support zone, guys. Right. Make sure to destroy the like button if you want to see a live stream afterwards. If we do get to 300 likes, I will be doing a Central European time night live stream, okay, guys? Smash up the like button if you want to see a live stream tonight, okay? If we do get above 300 likes, you know, in the next coming hours, I will be doing a live stream for scalping ideas. Let's see that volatility. Let's wait for those movements, see what happens. Then we could potentially get into some trading scenarios. All right, we got Jerome Powell speaking at the moment, right? We're just going to see that volatility. I want to see a sign of strength. Sign of strength here. If we do get that move up with nice volume, then yeah, we could consider, you know, we are actually going to go to higher levels. However, yeah, if we break the low and get a massive move down with volume, I'm expecting a bounce level. That bounce level to be the 21,770 range, guys. But I don't like to trade when we've got this guy speaking, because he moves the market. He basically moves the market. Like, smash the like button. We got Ahmed here saying, I'm a beast. I just called that sharp drop before the hourly. I'm a damn machine. Now impulsive wave to 22,800. Okay. I'm a beast. Oh, come on. Don't say that. There's nothing more cringy than saying, you know, I'm a beast. You know, exactly as, you know, I'm the number one, no? Oh, and don't do that. I don't do that myself because I think it's a bit cringy. You know, when we talk about a good setup, then we say, wow, this actually played out. You know, look at this. That was a great call. But yeah, don't throw flowers to yourself because it's cringy. Down then up. Let's go. Yeah. Holding this range. Just a bit of volatility on the lower time frames. For the moment, I mean, this was the idea, right? This is the idea where you are, you know, that was the kind of idea here, where you are hitting the 618 from this low to the high. 618 to the... This is the idea for these highs to be claimed. So we're getting a bit of a bounce at the moment. Yeah, pumping. I wouldn't mind seeing a larger sign of strength here. If we do, you know, have high volume with this movement up here, there will be time. You know, I won't be rushing into a trade. I just want to see that sign of strength. There will be time to get into a higher low here for that continuation to the upside. Not much to be said here. I want to see what happens, guys. Let's wait for the volatility to happen. I'll be back in the next coming hours. And, you know, there's not much to be traded here as we got this guy speaking. I want to see, you know, another range and then look for those scalping opportunities. The trend is your friend. Come on, new low this March. Oh, we got someone here saying there's a new low to be created in March. Yeah, depending on what time frame you're looking at this, because hey, on this time frame, you know, this trend is up, creating higher highs and higher lows. If you're looking at lower time frames, you know, you're in a downtrend, you know, all depending on what kind of structure you're looking at here, what time frame. Stay cautious. Right. Okay. Guys, make sure to destroy the like button. We almost, yeah, over 200 like buttons. Yeah. We need to get to 300 likes, guys, if you want a live stream with scalping, okay? Live scalping setups. Make sure to destroy the like button. And yeah, we'll be looking for some scalping setups. Okay, let's wait for this volatility. You know, let's see if we do get a sign of strength. Then of course we'll be looking for some trading setups at this zone. Let's see if we do test the lows here. We need to see some movements, right? Let's wait for the volatility to happen, guys. Make sure to destroy the like button on your way out. And yeah, I will see you afterwards. We'll be finding some setups. Come on. The other day we found a really nice, you know, trading scalp scenarios over here. Not much of education today. The other day was more educational. I need to bounce, guys, but I'll be doing another live stream afterwards. Make sure to check out the Kasta app, okay? Kasta is absolutely phenomenal. Send crypto for free and instant. They're going to be the pioneers in crypto payments. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the live stream later.